Hello. I just wanted to give a real quick demo here about scenes and hotkeys and playing a video. So this is standard OBS. I've re-defaulted my layout to the layout that comes with it when you have it first installed. On the left-hand side over here, you have your scene selection. You can click this little plus symbol here to add a scene and to give it a name. So right now I'll just call it demo. And in the scene, of course, there's nothing there. Over here, you have your sources. And again, you just click this little plus, and then you can add a number of sources. One of the things that you can add is a VLC video source. So go ahead and click that and name it. And then click OK. Then I'll bring this up. A couple of different options here. You can either have it loop a playlist or shuffle a playlist. You can have it set so that it stops when the video or when the scene is not visible and restarts when it is visible. You can have it pause when not visible and unpause when it's visible, and always play even when not visible. For right now, we're just going to choose the default option, which is stop when not visible and restart when visible. And what that'll do is it'll have the video start from the beginning every time. Now in the playlist section here, over to the right, there's a plus symbol. We'll go ahead and click that, and you can add either a file, a directory, or a URL. We're just going to add a file for now, because I'm going to assume that if you have a particular video that you're trying to show, that you probably have it on your computer. So for this, I'm going to use a video that I have already created. And we're just going to select that and hit open. And then we'll go ahead and click OK. So now, as you can see, it's already started playing this video. You can, of course, go through your usual sizing options. You can insert a background if you want to. You can put this somewhere on the screen for your streaming and viewing pleasure. Why am I not getting any audio? I'll look into that in a minute. But then if we go ahead and we switch to another scene, then that video stops. If we switch back to demo, it starts from the beginning again. So now we'll go over to settings on the right side of the screen. And then we'll go to hotkeys. And what we're looking for here is the name of the scene, as you can see right here. So we named our scene demo. So we're looking for demo. Somewhere in here, it'll be in a different spot for some reason every time. Or not every time, but for different scenes, for some reason they put them in different spots. There will be an option of switch to scene. Well, if you click in this little box here, you can then use various hotkeys to be able to switch. My preferred hotkeys, since I have a pretty standard layout keyboard, is Alt plus one of the numbers on the number pad. So I'm going to use 7. So now when I hit apply and OK, if I change to another scene and I hit Alt hold down the Alt key and press 7, it'll switch to the scene with the video. There, I hope that helps. Enjoy this information. So a small addendum to what I was demonstrating earlier with the ability to hot swap between scenes using a hotkey. If you want to be able to hear your video source, as you can see here, we have the demo video source audio in the mixer, but I'm not currently able to hear it. Now, if I had a streamer, or if I was using OBS to record this video, which I'm not at this point in time, then they would be able to hear it. But if I'd like to be able to hear it, what I need to do is come over to this gear icon, and then click it, and click Advanced Audio Properties. Find the name of the audio source that I want. In this case, it's Demo Video Source. Come over here to Audio Monitoring, and currently it's set to Monitoring Off. So I need to change this to Monitor and Output. If it was set to Monitor Only, Mute Output, then what that'll do is it'll make it so that only I can hear it, and people on the stream will not be able to hear it. So if we want both the streamer and the viewers to be able to hear this, then we want to do Monitor and Output. So, as you might be able to tell, or you might not be able to, I don't know, but now I can hear that audio. And when I switch over to here, the audio stops. All right, hope that helps. Thank you.